In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the use of Meterpreter. Now, Meterpreter is the subset of Metasploit that we enter into once we have actually exploited a vulnerability and gotten into a system. You can see here, if I do a file listing, I'm going to get the list of files that are in the particular directory that I happen to be in on that particular system. I'm in the System32 directory in the Windows directory on the C drive, and that's where all of these files are. The first thing is I probably want to get system, and that's to elevate my privileges, although in this case, I already have system level privileges, but I'm going to run get system anyway. So I've got system, and I can do things like a hash dump, and the hash dump is going to print out all of the user accounts as well as the hashed passwords that are on the system as well. So I could do something like a screenshot, for example. I'm going to get a screenshot, and it's saved that. Now, what I could do is go take a look at that, and it said it stored it in my home directory. This is it right here. So I can open this file up, and we'll take a look at the desktop on that particular system. So it looks like the screensaver is actually in operation at the moment. Now, I could do things like get some key captures. So I could capture keystrokes, and I could dump the keystroke buffer. So let's see if there's anything in the keystroke buffer. And it doesn't look like there's anything there. So what else do we have? We could steal an impersonation token from the target process. I could actually get the user ID. Let's see what the user ID is. So we're running as the system user. I could kill processes. I could reboot the remote system. Let's see the ARP cache, for example. We can also take a look at the routing table. So there's a number of things that I can do within Meterpreter, which are really good for seeing whether there are maybe other things that I can exploit once I'm in. Like, for example, maybe it's sitting on multiple networks, and I may be able to use this for pivoting purposes, and we'll take a look at pivoting later on. So there are a number of things that I can do, though, once I'm inside of Meterpreter. We'll take a look at some of those additional things in coming lessons.